Zinka logo bloopers. Take one. Hello there. What? Cut. PJHL Films, what are you doing here? I'm looking for Baldy Basic. Baldy Basic doesn't appear on the Zinka logo, so get out of here. Fine. Have it your way. Take two. Cut. Spiffy Pictures, what are you doing in this logo? Well, I'm trying to look for Curious Buddies and Jack's Big Music. They're not here, so it got canceled. Okay, bye. See you later, Spiffy Pictures. Let's have another take. Hold it right there. What? Cut. Angry Pied, what are you doing here? I'm taking over the studio. What you did to PJHL Films. I'm taking over. That's it. Time to kill. Take it again.
CBS presents this program in color.
Cut. CBS, what are you doing in this logo? I was just seeing if you making a Zinka bloopers. So can I please see it? Actually, yes you can. Yoy! Alright, take it again. Hi there. What? Cut. EFC Gaming, what are you doing in here? I'm trying to find PJHL Films. PJHL Films wasn't in the studio because that's it. Time to put you on. Take it again. Cut. Screen Gems, S from Heck. What are you doing in here? I saw what you did to EFC Gaming, and also what you did to EFC Gaming PJHL Films. I'm taking over the studio. Oh yeah? Not so fast. Alright, take it again. Hold it right there. Oh no, it's Viacom, the V of Doom. I saw what you did to Screen Gems, S from Heck. EFC Gaming and PJHL Films. This is what you're gonna get. What? Oh no. Oh no, indeed. That's right, we're taking over. And there is nothing you can do to stop us. What are we going to do, Zinka? I know, I'll scare him with a super loud e-rape. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Run away! Thank you, Zinka, for saving us. No problem, Spiffy Pictures. Alright, Zinka. Now we're going to do the last one. But this is your warning. If you screw up again, you're fired. Okay, take the last one. Cut. That's it. Zinka, you're fired. I was trying to make you meet my friend Xilam. Oh, forget it. Time to put both of you out. There, he's gone. See you later.